This is Michelle Fernandez, and it is February 3rd, 2019, and we're going to talk about the lymphatic system. We're first going to locate parts of the lymphatic system, which is we have your tonsils, which are located right up here. Can you see me? Right in here, which I can feel from outside. Then we have our cervical lymph nodes that run here. Okay, you can move back a little bit. And then we have the thymus, which is located right here, right above the heart. It's right here between the rib cage. And then we have the axillary lymph nodes that are located here in this area on both sides. And then we have the spleen, which is located right above the kidney here on the left side. And then we have your appendix, which is on the right side, located right up in here. And then the Peyer's patches are actually located here in the walls of the small intestine. Now, the lymphatic system, it kind of controls our immune system. It creates, you have the red bone marrow that produces the B cells and T cells, and then it goes on to move to other parts of the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system, unlike blood, doesn't flow throughout the body back and forth. You know, the blood goes down, it comes back up through the heart. There is nothing that pumps the lymph, which is actually 3% of what the blood leaves behind once it gives out the nutrients and the vitamins and all of that throughout the body. 3% of that is left within the interstitial fluid, which it becomes lymph, and it has like all the debris and stuff, and so it goes through the spleen, which acts like a filter. And the spleen also creates and houses white blood cells. So when our body is under attack for some reason, the lymphatic system is what starts producing our white blood cells, red blood cells, that start attacking anything that is foreign or in some way going to hurt our body. So this fluid flows only one way, which is up, and it goes through these lymphatic capillaries and blood vessels, and vessels, and what it does is that it has these little valves, and the valves only travel upwards towards the subclavian veins. That's where it's trying to get to. So in order for this to happen, the way that it has nothing to pump it. So what happens is that it depends on our muscles and our organs to, like, as pumps, as movement. As we move, it kind of gets the lymph fluid up, and the lymph is the plasma, which is the fluid part of blood. So that is, you know, it goes in, it comes out, has debris, and then it gets filtered out of all that debris and everything. And it's sort of, what it does is that it just helps our body, and it goes to all the lymph, you know, organs, which is like the thymus and all of that, and those produce, and the spleen and all that, and it produces the, you know, it also derives the T cells and, yeah, T cells and B cells. I think I've got everything that I have to say. I know that it goes upward to the subclavian veins. That's where it's traveling to, and it filters out any debris, anything foreign that's not supposed to be in there. And then then the spleen is the filter, and it also houses and creates white blood cells, which attack foreign, like attacks on our body, like anything, infection, disease. The white blood cells are what start attacking it. And pretty much I think I have everything. If I've missed anything, sorry. I hope you have a great night, and good night.